Hello, and welcome to another video. Today, we will be opening up the Wild Resurgence Booster Box. The single box has 24 packs in it. And a special bonus card. And our extra card was a super rare Son Goku versus Golden Frieza. I believe I've shown the art before on the front of these in a different video, but just in case. Here's Goku on the front, and now our first pack. Garlic Jr., Son Gohan, Son Goku, the Hyperbolic Time Chamber, Nikki, Taguma, Cell, Mr. Boo, Garlic Jr.'s Ambition, Hercule, Garlic Jr., and Oob.